Every modern cruise quietly includes dozens of free perks, some worth hundreds, some that save hours of stress, and some that protect you when things go wrong. But most passengers never use them. Not because they're hidden, but because no one explains the order. If you cruise the same way you always have, you'll leave value on the table, stand in unnecessary lines, pay for things that were already included, and miss perks that disappear if you don't claim them early. If you stay with me step by step, I'll show you how to unlock all 50 free cruise perks in the exact order they matter so you cruise cleaner, calmer, cheaper, and smarter. This is Shipverse. Peace a lot. Before you book, perks that disappear first as Step 1, price protection and free repricing action after you book. Keep checking your cruise price until final payment. Why it matters? Most cruise lines will reprice your fare if it drops. What goes wrong if you pay hundreds more than the cabin next door? Pro tip: repricing is often a free onboard credit, not cash, still real money. Step 2, a free onboard credit stacking action. Book through a travel agent who adds OBC on top of cruise promos. Why it matters? This can stack with loyalty and shareholder credits. What goes wrong if you pay out of pocket for drinks or Wi-Fi? Insider detail: many agents never advertise this unless you ask. Step 30, cabin upgrade eligibility action. Book the correct cabin category, not the cheapest available. Why it matters: some cabins are excluded from upgrade offers. What goes wrong if you never receive free upgrade emails? Pro tip: mid-ship obstructed view balconies upgrade most often. Step 40, free cancellation windows action. Know your penalty dates and shop aggressively before them. Why it matters: you can cancel and rebook without fees. What goes wrong if you're locked into a bad deal? Step 5, loyalty status matching action. Ask the cruise line to match your status from another brand. Why it matters: this unlocks free laundry, Wi-Fi minutes, or priority boarding. What goes wrong if you start at the bottom unnecessarily? PS 20, pre-cruise setup, perks that require action. Step 60, free dining reservations action. Reserve specialty restaurants on embarkation day. Why it matters: many include one free visit or tasting. What goes wrong if you're told everything is sold out? Insider detail: ask for lunch hours, slots magically appear. Step 70, free room service items action. Learn what's included versus charged before sailing. Why it matters: some items are always free but not listed. What goes wrong if you pay service fees unnecessarily? Pro tip: continental breakfast is almost always free. Step 8, free fitness classes action. Sign up for intro classes on day 1. Why it matters: many ships offer complimentary trial sessions. What goes wrong if you're pushed into paid packages? Step 90, free kids club perks action. 9, register kids early even if unsure. Why it matters: some events are first come only. What goes wrong if kids miss special programs? Step 10, free port talks and planning sessions action. Attend destination briefings. Why it matters: they include walking maps and shuttle tips. What goes wrong if you overpay for excursions? P.S. a 30 embarkation day, the most expensive day to miss perks is Step 11, priority lunch venues action. Go straight to lesser-known dining spots. Why it matters: avoid buffet chaos. What goes wrong if you lose an hour on day 1? Pro tip: SAS crew where they eat. Free ship tours action. Join the first day orientation walks. Why it matters: they reveal hidden decks and quiet areas. What goes wrong if you never find the best spots? Step 13, free spa raffles action. Enter the spa drawing on embarkation. Why it matters: winners get free treatments or credits. What goes wrong if you pay full price later? Step 14, free drink tastings action. Attend gallery auctions and art talks. Why it matters: champagne and cocktails are often complimentary. What goes wrong if you buy drinks that were free? Step 15, free Wi-Fi minutes action. Log in immediately to claim included minutes. Why it matters: some expire unused. What goes wrong if you pay daily rates? PS 4's an onboard daily life perks people walk past. Step 16, see free shows with premium seating action. Arrive early and ask ushers. Why it matters: empty VP seats are often released. What goes wrong if you watch from the back? Step 17, free enrichment classes action. Check the daily planner thoroughly. Why it matters: language, tech, and hobby classes cost nothing. What goes wrong if you miss high-value learning? Step 18, free medical advice hours action. Ask guest services about clinic hours. Why it matters: some consultations are complimentary. What goes wrong if you avoid care or pay full fees? Step 19A, free laundry credits action. Use loyalty or long cruise perks. Why it matters: laundry adds up fast. What goes wrong if you wear dirty clothes? Step 20A, free snacks and drinks in lounges action. Visit lounges between events. Why it matters: many offer unadvertised refreshments. What goes wrong if skipped? You buy bar items unnecessarily. Cast 50 port days, hidden savings ashore. Step 21, free shuttle buses action. Ask before booking taxes. Why it matters? Many ports include transfers. What goes wrong if skipped? You pay 20 per person. Step 20, free port maps action. Pick them up on board. Why it matters? They show safe walking routes. What goes wrong if skipped? You get lost or overcharged. Step 20, free tender priority action. Claim early boarding if eligible. Why it matters? Saves hours waiting. What goes wrong if skipped? You miss morning plans. Step 20, free excursion cancellations action. Cancel before cutoff times. Why it matters? You get full refunds. What goes wrong if skipped? You lose all your money. Step 25, free beach access tips action. Ask crew, not vendors. Why it matters? Crew, no public beaches. What goes wrong if skipped? You overpay for private clubs. Piece E6Z. Money and protection perks. Step 26, free account audits action. Review your onboard account daily. Why it matters? Errors are common. What goes wrong if skipped? You pay charges you didn't make. Step 27, free foreign exchange guidance action. Ask guest services about ports. Why it matters? Avoid bad exchange rates. What goes wrong if skipped? You lose money ashore. Step 20, free lost item assistance action. Report items immediately. Why it matters? Ships track found items centrally. What goes wrong if skipped? Items vanish permanently. Step 29, free emergency support action. No guest services locations. Why it matters? They help with missed ports or delays. What goes wrong if skipped? You handle crisis alone. Step 30, free disembarkation planning action. Attend final day briefings. Why it matters? Saves hours leaving the ship. What goes wrong if skipped? You're stuck in lines. Passes 70 last day and post-cruise perks. Step 301, free luggage handling options action. Choose the right tag color. Why it matters? Faster pickup. What goes wrong if skipped? Long waits. Step 32, free future cruise offers action. Visit the cruise desk on board. Why it matters? Includes deposits and perks. What goes wrong if skipped? You miss best deals. Step 30, free feedback compensation action. Complete surveys. Honestly, why it matters? Credits are often issued. What goes wrong if skipped? You get enough. Step 34 is a free status points bonuses action. Check promo eligibility. Why it matters? Accelerates loyalty tiers. What goes wrong if skipped? Slower perks next cruise. Step 35, free rebooking price locks action. Hold future sailings on board. Why it matters? Prices often rise later. What goes wrong if skipped? You pay more later. Pass 8. Little known bonus perks. Most missed. Step 360, free cabin amenities on request. Step 37, free pillow and bedding menace. Step 30, free fridge restocking for medical needs. Step 39, free celebration Forsabri, free accessibility services. Step 41, and free quiet dining requests. Step 42, free show waitlist. Step 40, free late checkout requests. Step 44, free safety assessment. Free weather reroute updates. Step 460, free hydration stations. Step 4070, free entertainment recordings. Step 480, free emergency kits. Step 49, free replacement cards and lanyards. Step 50, free expert help. If you ask early enough, each of these requires one thing most passengers never do: asking at the right time. Traps to avoid. Don't assume included means automatic. Don't wait until day 3 to explore. Don't skip the daily planner. Don't believe the first no you hear. Final thought, now I want to hear from you. Which of these perks surprised you the most, or which one did you miss on your last cruise?